The Cumbres and Toltec Railroad is located in Chama, New Mexico at one end, and I believe that'd be the southern end. Here you see the station at Chama, New Mexico, and this is where we went to board the train. Here's one of the narrow gauge locomotives coming up on the track, and here you see an example of one of the cars that was pulled. This now they're showing a rotary snowplow. This was steam powered. You can see that box in the center there, that opening. That's where they shovel coal. Here's a side view of one of their locomotives, number 463. And here's a forward view. The coaches that you see are replicas. They're fiberglass and plywood. And here's Violet, and we're just about ready to go.
Backing up, I'm going to hook up.
Cinder the bear makes his appearance. We are almost at Cumbres Pass. As you can see, Cumbres Pass, the elevation is over 10,000 feet. That's the reason for the 2 locomotives. Here's the station at Cumbres, and another sign indicating the elevation. And here we are at Osier, which is roughly halfway on the Cumbres and Toltec. Here's Violet looking out of one of the passenger cars. This train is bound for Chama. Here's the Osier little shed with a railroad crossing. This is the office inside as it was set up at the time of use. And you'll see a can of U-Band coffee on the table here in just a moment. Haven't seen that in a while.
It's funny.
Here's a piece of heavy equipment inside the remains of what they have left of the roundhouse. Here you see a servicing track, and there's one engine being serviced. And here's another one about to come in on the servicing track. This is the coal tipple, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.